Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one that is about identities. So we change by s minus 1 to the power of number 2. So we can use about partial fractions. So I will put a over s minus number 1 square b over s minus number 1 because we have the power 2 on the factor. That's why we need to have two factors about s minus 1. So we reduce the power from number 2 to number 1. Next, we do common denominator. So this one we keep the same. About this one, it is missing about s minus number 1. So capital B multiplied by s minus number 1. Next, we need to expand. So I will put in here. Next, we need to compare coefficients. About s, we have number 2. So 2 equals to b, and negative number 5 equal to a minus b. So we have the system of equations. Now we need to find the solutions of a and b. So 8 equals to negative number 3, b equals to number 2. So we put a and b go in here. So 8 equals to negative number 3, b equals to number 2. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have 3 over s minus number 1. The integration of this one, we have number 12 and of the absolute value of s minus 1. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.